Hey, if you wonder why are there two apps, the messages apps on the Samsung Galaxy S24 or S24 Plus, the answer is really obvious. On some smartphones you can find a lot of different duplicated apps. So what I mean, on this S24 you can also find two browsers like Google Chrome and the internet browser from the Samsung. And it looks the same for the messages. You can find the Android messages app that is actually available for all Android smartphones. That's actually the messages from Google, and this one is actually from the Samsung. And you can use both of these applications. It doesn't actually matter. It looks the same, for example, on the Huawei smartphones. On the Huawei smartphone, when there was like Google services available on the Huawei smartphones, you can also find the app gallery and the Google Play Store, and it still looks the same on the Samsung. So you can still find the Samsung Store where you can download some games and apps, and also you can find the Play Store, the Google original store. So yeah, there's like just application from this developer, and that's all right now. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.